Yeah, hello. So a few things I want to talk about concerning this Peugeot 407 Coupe. I'm not sure I've talked about this particular thing before now, so I'm going to do that anyway. Because a lot of people. So what I'm driving now is my 407 Coupe V6 manual, 6-speed manual. So something I want to tell you, in case you are interested in buying the 407 Coupe, which is the best of the whole 407. If you are the type that don't like driving with AC, what I mean don't drive with AC, maybe your reason could be fuel consumption, that your AC consumes more fuel. That running AC consumes more fuel, so you don't want to driving with AC running, then I would suggest don't buy a 407 Coupe. Don't waste your time. The reason why I'm saying this is, if you have a 407 Coupe, you must have to use your AC. Maybe not in all weather, but especially if you live in Nigeria, during that heat time, you know that usually between is it January or February to April or something like that, where if you live especially in the northern part of Nigeria, I think basically every part of Nigeria is like an oven, irrespective of the time, morning, night, day, afternoon. Everywhere will just be so damn hot. You'll be sweating. Even with AC, it will take a while before you start sweating. So, hold on, let me move from here. Let me understand what's going on. Okay. So, during those time, if your 407 Coupe AC is not working, you will hate that vehicle. You will hate the car. You see this car I'm driving, it becomes unbearable to drive during that time with that AC. It doesn't matter how low you lower your windows. It doesn't matter how low the windows drop. Air hardly comes into the car. I don't know why. But then it makes sense, since it's a coupe. Not all coupe have that issue. There are some coupe that the rear windows, you can lower the windows actually, even though they don't have doors at the rear seat. But you can lower the windows or open them up. Coupe, convertible, the you name it. But this one, no opening at all. So what now happens is, even when you lower the windows, the air doesn't cross. You just be making noise, but inside the car you will still be sweating. You'll be wondering what's going on. So it becomes pointless to even lower the window, to be honest. You are just getting distracted with noise, yet you will still be sweating. So during that time, if you have a 407 Coupe and your AC is not working, man, you will hate that. You will hate the car. So that's why I'm saying, if you want a 407, yeah, it's not necessarily known for good AC. That's compared to the predecessor, which is 406. Their AC, not that, number one, that durable. Number two, chilling effect, not as good as 406. Few that have driven, they could be, but on average, that's what I'm saying, on average, they are not. Or you could say majority of 407, they have that issue of cooling, not as good as 406. So however, you just have to. So if that's what you want, if you want without AC, then get a saloon or station wagon. You are better off than buying a Coupe 407, irrespective of the engine model. So you should know that. I just have to point it out, because later you don't buy, then later you get disappointed. Now you could say, okay, the fuel consumption doesn't really have that effect with AC. Well, mine is a VC, so AC or no AC, the fuel consumption is higher than the 4 cylinders. So for me, that's why I just want the AC. It's a big, heavy car, longer than, heavier than the saloon 407. So, yeah, the consumption is not that. To be honest, if you ask me, I will tell you this. The quantity of the amount, let's just say the amount I spend to fuel this car every week that I'm going to use the vehicle. Let's say Monday to Friday. What it costs me to fuel this car and drive the same distance with my 505 V6 is basically the same amount. I'm just being straight or honest with you guys. I'm not joking about it. 505 V6 is how old now? That's 1986. This is 2000 and, is it 7 or 6? I haven't forgotten. It's 2006. Both of them are V6. Because this one has more power too. You know. But because of the weight. So I can't tell you, okay, which one consume the least. All I'm telling you is, I don't spend, whatever I spend to fuel this car Monday to Friday is exactly what I will spend if I use my 505 V6 Monday to Friday, giving the same distance or covering the same distance. So I will advise, if fuel consumption is a big issue for you, stay away from 407 Coupe, or at least the V6. Maybe the one with the only petrol you can get on 407 Coupe is V6 and the EW12J for the 3FY version, and they come only in manual transmission for the EW12, no automatic for the Coupe. So if you want the automatic, go for the station wagon saloon. As far as the Coupe is concerned, for EW12, the 2.2, no, you can't get it on automatic. It's only manual 6-speed, which is better than the 4-speed automatic you get on that engine on the saloon and the station wagon. So hope that makes sense. Okay. But man, yeah, the fuel consumption might be high, but man, when you want to have some fun, that's where the car shines. So again, on the fuel consumption, don't say I didn't warn you. It's there, and you must use AC as far as this car is concerned. Handling, of course, it's quicker than my 505 V6 anyway. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Just something I wanted to talk about so that people will learn before you make that decision. It's not a car you can use without AC. No, you cannot. Try it and find out, then you understand what I mean. Okay. See you next video.